We are in Smith, and yeah, we were supposed to go somewhere and eat. Well, never mind. We're just gonna take some pictures here, and I'm with my mom. Like, she's obsessed with the place out here. Wait, did that dude just say bye? Okay, whatever. Mom, you look pretty. Give me a big smile. Yeah. Okay, got one pig. Now look at this scenery. I'm super hungry. I hope the food tastes good. Oh, look at my eyelashes. Look at the weather. Dang. Super duper cool. Might want to see something. Sure. Just take one pictures, okay? Smile. Done. Now this is called foreign.